Hello there. In this video, I am going to show you how you can integrate Stripe with your forms in FormNX. So just log in with your FormNX account and click on this new form button here and click on start from scratch. Give a name to this form and click on create form. So here you can see the dashboard. We have to create the forms. So I will create a simple form which will have 3 to 4 fields. First field, it is a required field. I will add an icon here, and the second I will add as email field here. This one is also required. I will add an icon to make it look good. Then let me add a field which will where the user can select some of the products. Maybe a radio field here. Let us name it as anything. Let me name it as package. You can name it as anything, maybe products or something as per your requirement. Then I will make this one as package 1, package 2, and here I will go to the option settings. I will enable the image. The image will actually make the package look good. I will also enable the calculation value. Calculation value is actually required when you want this field to be used as the pricing. Let me add the calculation value as 49 for this one and 98 for the second package too. I can add some description here. I will add the description as 49. Similarly, I will add the description as 98. You can add any description here based on your package or based on your product here. I will make this field as required. I can change the image here by clicking on the select image. Right now I don't have any image, so I will just leave it as the default one. Okay, so after this is done, let me spread it as columns. I will add a calculation field here. Okay, before that, I can also add a number field which will have a quantity. Okay, I will make this one as required. So it's a number field. Okay, now I will click on this form calculation, and here I will be adding a formula here. So my final price is the package into the quantity of package. So this is what the customer will be paying. I will make this field as read only, and I will also hide this field so that this field will only be used inside the Stripe and it will not be shown in the interface. Okay, so now we have done with our form creation. I will go to the integrations tab and I will click on the Stripe here to connect with the Stripe. So once we click on the Stripe, it will show a pop-up where we have to enter our Stripe details. All these details will be used to log in with your Stripe account. So here I am selecting my Stripe account here. So once I have selected my Stripe account, it will redirect me back to the form. It will take a few minutes to get all the details from the Stripe. Then you have to select a price field. So this is actually the field which will be used to calculate the final price which the customer will be paying. I will use the form calculation as our price field. The currency is USD. I will name the package as package description, some description here. Okay, customer email. This is actually an optional field. I will select this as your email. Okay, So now the stripe has been connected. You can see you are also seeing an option to disconnect the stripe if you need it. So I will select save as form. Once I clicked on save as form, let me just go to the share and publish tab. Here I will see an option to directly view the form or also integrate it in our website. So let me just open the form in new tab and see how the Stripe is working. Your name test test.com. Okay, now I will select the package. I will selecting this package. So I have both the options here. I will select this package and I will select the quantity as 1 here. So you can see the price is 49. Let me make the quantity as 2 here, or maybe make the quantity as 10 here. So it will be 49 into 10, which is 490. And click on submit. Once I click on the submit, it will be taking me to the Stripe dashboard from where I have to pay the amount, which is 490. And here you can see the name of the product, the description which we entered while connecting to the Stripe. And you can see the email is pre-filled here. Okay, so now the customer has to fill all the information. After they fill all the information and click on pay, they will be getting redirected to the thank you page inside our form. And you can read it and you can design the thank you page by going to the settings and this thank you page over here. So once the customer has paid the amount, you will be able to see all the payments by clicking on view submissions here. So you can see like the amount was $490. The payment status is due because we haven't paid it yet and there is no payment details. But if the customer has paid it, you will be able to see all the payment details like the transaction number, date and time, and all the informations which we entered while paying for the inside the Stripe. So that is how this Stripe integration works. I hope is it's useful. Thank you.